Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Hummer H3 Plus concept redefines what it means to be a rugged off-road machine while introducing a touch of modern refinement. This beastly SUV carries the legendary Hummer DNA, yet it embraces futuristic design elements that make it a formidable contender in the luxury off-road segment. Exterior design, step by step, the bold front grille dominates with a commanding LED light strip seamlessly blending into aggressive headlights. Sculpted body lines flow across a reinforced aluminum frame, providing both durability and elegance. Gigantic all-terrain tires sit under widened fender flares, ensuring off-road dominance. At the rear, a futuristic taillight design and a rugged bumper emphasize both style and function. Pros: the exterior is robust, eye-catching, and built for adventure. Cons: the bulky frame may be challenging in tight urban settings. Interior and dashboard: inside, the cabin is a fusion of military-grade toughness and premium luxury. Plush leather seats with contrast stitching offer supreme comfort. The dashboard integrates a massive digital display with intuitive controls, providing seamless connectivity and real-time performance insights. Pros: high-end materials and advanced tech elevate the driving experience. Cons: some may find the minimalist layout too modern. Performance: a high-output twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric assist system delivers explosive acceleration. Adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride over any terrain, and an advanced 4x4 system offers unmatched grip. Pros: exceptional power and off-road capability. Fuel economy could be better. Price and competitors: expected to attract adventure seekers age 35+, the H3 Plus concept competes with the Jeep Grand Cherokee and Land Rover Defender. Conclusion: the 2025 Hummer H3 Plus concept is a bold statement in off-road luxury, merging power, technology, and comfort like never before. A perfect companion for thrill seekers who refuse to compromise.